Happy Friday, Nana's little new niblets. How you doing? It's unboxing with Nanna Newf. And today we're going to do a Montoy track with race car. Well, it's a Jeep, but it's all good. We'll get her going. Now, none of this is sponsored, of course. I found this guy at the dollar store. It comes with a Jeep and a track. And you do need one AA battery, which I'll have to go get for the Jeep after, because it's in the living room. If you want check out any more toys, go to montoy.com. And they have plenty of toys there to check out. There's 33 pieces to this track. Well, let's see if we can get a good thumbnail. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So it comes in this handy dandy little carrying box. See? So you can carry this along wherever you go. And we're going to see how long it takes us to put this guy together. Instructions are on the back. It's going to be quite big. Hopefully it fits on the table. And you get your little what comes with it and all that good stuff. Now, according to this, batteries are not included, so you do have to pick those up. Trying to see what the age. Oh, this is for 3 and over, so it's not that bam. It's not that shouldn't be that hard to do. But let's see what we got here for a cute little thing. And this will be a cute little toy for 3 and over, especially for young boys. Great Christmas gift, birthday gift, all that good stuff. So let's open her up and see what we got. Oh, there's our tracks. Part of our tracks. Okay, the blue pieces are the parts that set up the track. So these are our setups. Oh, here's our little Jeep. Oh yeah, look at him go. Cute little Jeep. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, some long tracks. Some curvy tracks. Ooh, there's a smell in here though. Almost smells like oil. Like as if you're changing your car. Would you look at that? Alright, so get the box empty here. Ooh, it smells like paint. Alright, so according to this, we should just put this bad boy over here so I can see what I'm doing. So according to the instructions, there's A, B, C, D, and all that stuff. So let's get our 4 things going here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these guys go in tack here. So this on here, this guy on here. Bam. There we go. 1. Snap these guys together. Snap the first 2 together. Snap this guy together. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, at least I don't have a saran wrap war today. Nice. Okay. Let's put this together, build a little track. I used to play dinky cars when I was younger. I used to love doing what the boys used to do. I always said I think I was meant to be a boy, but, you know. Ta-da! I'm me. Okay, so now let's figure out how to get this bad boy together. Let's take off the elastics. So according to this, there's A. See, there's an A here on the straight ones. There's a C here on the curly ones. What's this one? B for the round ones. And if you look at your instructions, it shows all the letters here on what snaps on what. So let's see if we can figure this out. It shouldn't be that hard. I mean, okay. So put this together. So the first thing we're going to do is snap together our things here. That's one. Snap this bad boy together. There. Actually, am I supposed to have one of these? Okay, so according to this, I'm supposed to have one track coming up. And one track coming down. So this one's supposed to come down. Oh, goes up. Okay, put that one in like that. You just snap them into the little holes here. And then this flat guy here. Just stick around it together. There's one. There's two. Here we go. Yay! There we go. There's one. And with that, you put another one on here. Put this guy here. There. So we can get him in here. It's supposed to, there. Snap in. There we go. Now we have another C that goes down. This is gonna be fun. There. Okay, so let's build our other two here. Maybe it's only supposed to be just the one. No, it's showing two. Okay, what are the two that are supposed to be up top? Okay, so when it comes down here, like so, we get a D. And a D goes on here. Just follow your letters. Just follow which way your letters go. What's that one? Let's see, and these are D's. Okay, D. And then a B. And then we get, okay, that was a C, and then the D, which is supposed to go the other way. Okay, just put this guy on this side then. There. D, B, these are a little hard to snap in. Come on. Good one, snap in. There we go. Alright, that one's snapped in. B, and then another D. Just gonna come right around here. A, B, C, D. There we go. A, B, C, D. And now I need an A. Where's my A's? Oh, here's my A. Put an A. Like a so. Oh, I don't know if my table's going to be big enough. A. A. F. F is these guys, I betcha. I betcha F's going to be these guys. Yep. Alright, so this is an F. So now we gotta put an F. and F goes here. F. Assuming this is the same thing. A, F. A, F. Okay. There. A, F. And then if we go over, so it must be the same, just flipped over because the other two A's aren't showing. So we got this. This F guy's got to come off up here. There. Okay, so we got the F off, the A. Now let's bring this guy up here. Goes here. I don't know what the two that go up there are. A and then D and B. So am I supposed to put another A? I think so. Another A. That'll go in here. A. There. A. D. Got another D. We got a D here. One needs a D. Needs a D. 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 B. 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 A, B. D. D. I should get a Hot Wheels track, but I'll have to do it on the floor for next time. If I get a bigger track than this, oh Lord, this is just gonna barely fit. Okay, there. Now I need to see. See. Okay, so that's that. That goes on that side. There. See. There. Now, let's get the other side done here. Bring all this over here. And just do everything the opposite way. So A, and A. Because if I put A and A here, A, there. C. Obviously goes down here. C. C for this side. And then we need a C for this side. A and A. There is my C. There's my C. This is actually fun. Oh, this would be so much fun to build together with the children. Oh, yeah. I think kids would have fun building this, putting this together, don't you think? I think so. Let's put our F on our A. We just kind of do it the same way, just backwards. There. F. There we go. Oh, this doesn't take much time at all to put together. Okay, so AA in there. Now I need a D and a D. Date. D goes on the I. D. D. Here we go. A, D, D, B. Yeah, they just interlock with each other. It's actually not that hard. Just gotta interlock them. Like so. And then like so. Here. Make sure all the tracks straight and even. Ta-da! Knocking over all my other stuff here. Already left it in. Sorry about that, guys. Nanna Newf's running out of room here for all her stuff. There. Okay. Now let's put this back in. So, got the bees. These two guys go here. Like so. Here. And then slap this up here. Ooh. Let's see how big this is going to be. Put this guy together here. Put him in there. He just pops in like that. There. So we got this track done. Part of this track done. Now we gotta see if we can get it to fit all on the table here. Oh Lord. Alright, so now I'm gonna put A in the rest of my A's in here. Attach the two tracks together, and hopefully we can make a nice big track to play on. Straight in, straight in, there, oh yeah, oh this is gonna be cool. Ah, yay! Oh my goodness, everybody, look at my niblets. Oh my god, niblets, look at this, look at this. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is fun to build. Oh, I hope they come out with another racetrack. This would be cool. I'd like to do another one. Alright, so, there we go. And there we go. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Come on. Just one more. Got one more little pop in there. So we now have the racetrack built. Oh, that looks so nice, guys. And here's our little Jeep. Now, let's see how well this is going to work out. So you get your little on and off here. Push her on, which I'm guessing that's where you need the batteries. But I have to get a screwdriver and everything for the batteries. So we're just going to play with the little Jeep going this way. So with it, oh, it doesn't want to move. The battery will actually let the car go on its own. The back wheels won't move because it's not rim, 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 rim. Oh, and I don't have any other cars around to. Whee! Well, it would work if... Okay, so I gotta gather me some batteries and screwdrivers and stuff and put them around here just so that I'll have them in time. But we learn as we go. Okay, so this is the lovely track. I absolutely love it. It's the size of my table, as you can see, so I didn't have much room and get very much of that, but that's okay. Ah, I went way down too far. Alright, let's get you back up there. There we go. Well, my lovely little niblets, that was definitely fun. Like I said, it's a motorized truck, so you do need a AA battery, which I'll have to definitely get. So if you're interested in any purchases of these unboxings before I put them up on eBay, go to our Mystery Lane Show and Tell on Facebook. I'm going to start putting pictures up there. And you can send me an offer if you like. If you wish to donate, just donate to the Mystery Lane. I do have a PayPal account in there. I also take e-transfers. And all purchases, donations, and such go towards building my comfort box, which includes items for victims of trauma at the moment that they need it the most, as I'm a survivor as well as my daughter, so we know what it feels like. So don't forget to like and share, subscribe, tell everybody about us, and come check out my Facebook, which I'm going to get up and going really well pretty soon. Okay, so I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!